In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 activation error code 0xC004F074. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now just head to your search menu and then just type in services. After that, just go ahead, click on open on services and then wait for the services windows to open up for you. Just give it a moment, and now all you have to do is to look for software protection. So just scroll down. After that, double click on it and then click on start to start the service. After that, click on OK and then click out and restart your computer or changes to take place. After that, just click on CMD, type it, then click on Run as Administrator and just give it a moment to load. Now type in the command sfc // scnanow and then hit enter. And after that, type this exact command dism /forward online /forward cleanup. Image /forward restore and then hit enter after you do that. So just copy the command as it is, as you can see in the screen right now. Everything must be correct in order for the command to work. So after you do that, just hit enter and then restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.